Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss our new chapter, that is the metals and non-metals. In this chapter, we will discuss about the metals, non-metals, their characteristic feature. Actually, this chapter is related to the chemistry. And in chemistry, we should learn some deep concepts, right? So the first concept arises over here, that is the element. All the substances that are present over here that we look around, these are classified into three categories: elements, compound and mixture. We have learned in 6th class elements, compounds and mixture. The elements are made up of all the, not only elements, but also all the substances made up of some small particles. And you know better, these small particles are called as atoms, right? A substance which is made up of only one kind of atoms, a substance which is made up of only one kind of atoms is known as element. It is the simplest kind of the substance. Simplest kind of substance made up of only one type of atoms. Got it? So, what are the examples of the elements? I have written certain examples over here. Now look over here and try to understand their symbols. Actually, symbols, me, Mukesh Kumar Verma, or you can say Mukesh Verma. So my symbol is MV. But here, one another sir over here, Mukesh Sharma sir, and one another Mridu madam. Look over here, try to understand. My name Mukesh Kumar Verma. So my symbol MV. Now Mridu Sharma ma'am and Mukesh Sharma sir. There is, both are, if two words are used, two letters are used, like MV, MS, MS, it is highly confusing. So, in this case, to differentiate Mukesh Sharma and Mukesh Mridu Sharma ma'am, both are MS. So, Mukesh Sharma sir, we use MKS. What symbol we use? MKS. Like this, all the symbols taken from first letter of their name. First letter of their name. Hydrogen, carbon C, carbon. Right? These are the single. Boron. This is the boron, B. So first letter. But there is confusion between the first letter. So we use another letter, second letter or another letter also. So look over here. Helium, He. Hydrogen and helium, both names start from the H. So to differentiate both these, we use second letter also, He. Lithium, Li. Lithium, Li. Beryllium, Be. Calcium, Ca. Carbon, C already given, so calcium, Ca. Cobalt, Co. Cobalt, Co. Copper, Cu. Copper, Cu. Sulfur, S. कार्बन हो गया, नाइट्रोजन N, ऑक्सीजन O, फ्लोरीन F, नियोन Ne, neon Ne, and sodium. Are you looking over here? Sodium Na, sodium Na, potassium K, lead Pb, iron Fe, copper Cu, magnesium Mg, gold Au, and silver Ag. Some of the symbols, for some of the symbols you are well familiar, like calcium Ca, oxygen O, hydrogen H. So try to understand these and learn them. Once again, hydrogen H, helium He, lithium Li, beryllium Be, boron B, calcium Ca, cobalt Co, sulfur S, carbon C, nitrogen O, nitrogen M, oxygen O, fluorine F, neon Ne, and this is the sodium for Na, sodium Na, potassium K, lead Pb, iron Fe, copper Cu, magnesium Mg, gold Au, silver Ag. You will have to learn these table. These symbols once again रिवाइज कर लेते हैं. पोटेशियम के, लेड पीबी, आयरन Fe, कॉपर Cu, C you have learnt entire C for carbon, Ca for calcium, Cu copper, and Co cobalt. Right? Gold Au, silver Ag, Au gold, Ag silver. Now magnesium Mg. Like this you will learn this table. So after elements, now students look compound. What is a compound? Compound is a substance which is made up by combination of two or more elements. A substance which is made up by combination of two or more elements is known as compound. A substance which is made up of combination of two or more elements in a fixed ratio, in a fixed proportion or fixed ratio. This is known as compound. There is a fixed ratio is there. यहाँ पर एक फिक्स रेशियो रहता है. अगर फिक्स रेशियो नहीं रहेगा तो फिर इट विल बिकम मिक्सचर. सो लुक ओवर हियर. Example, carbon dioxide. In case of the carbon dioxide, as you are looking, carbon 1 atom, oxygen 2 atoms. 1 atom of carbon react with the 2 atoms of oxygen. So it is this one is showing number of atoms. So 1 atom of carbon react with 2 atoms of oxygen to form carbon dioxide. Sulfur dioxide. Di means 2. Sulfur dioxide. Sulfur 1 atom, oxygen 2 atoms. 2 atoms of oxygen combine with the 1 atom of sulfur. Sulfur dioxide. Now look over here. Water. Water H2O. 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of oxygen. Hydrochloric acid. Over here, look over here. Hydrogen is 1 atom, chlorine is another atom. So hydrogen chloride HCl. HCl is the hydrogen chloride. Look over here, hydrogen chloride, HCl. Now potassium chloride, hydrochloric acid, HCl, KCl, potassium chloride, and one another over here. Excellent example, common salt that we eat. That is the common salt, NaCl. Common salt, NaCl. Sodium chloride. So carbon dioxide, you have learned, CO2, sulfur dioxide, SO2, hydrochloric acid, HCl, potassium chloride, KCl, sodium chloride, common salt, NaCl. Now look some examples over here. Water, H2O, you all know. Ammonia, NH3. Ammonia, NH3. Methane, CH4. Methane, CH4. Sulfur dioxide, SO2. Sodium hydroxide, Na. Na means sodium. Hydroxide, OH. OH means hydroxide. So sodium hydroxide. Nitric acid. Yes, who will tell me the formula of nitric acid? You have learnt in 7th class. Nitric acid, HNO3. Nitric acid, HNO3. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Now calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. How can we write the calcium hydroxide? Or look over here. Ca. This is the calcium. Ca. Now OH. This is the OH. But these OH ions. There is two OH ion are there. Not single. Two OH ion are there. That's why we write over here 2. CaOH2. CaOH2. This is the calcium hydroxide. Got it?